Imagine having your digital assistant seamlessly integrated into your daily life, accessing your personal apps with just a voice command. That's the power of Gemini Live, and it's now more accessible than ever. But here's where it gets controversial. While this integration promises convenience, it also raises significant privacy concerns. Let's dive in and explore the latest updates and implications of Gemini Live's expanded capabilities. Gemini Live, available on both Android and iOS, has been gradually rolling out since late June. Initially, a select group of users gained access to Google apps like Keep and Tasks within real-time conversations. This feature, announced at Google I/O 2025, allows Gemini Live to create calendar events, set tasks reminders, and add notes to Keep, all while accessing information stored in these first-party apps. Additionally, Google Maps integration lets you ask for place details, making your digital assistant even more versatile. For Samsung device users, the integration includes access to calendar, notes, and reminders. This means Gemini Live is no longer just a general information provider. It can now tap into your personal data, much like a regular text chat experience. But this is the part most people miss. The convenience comes at a cost, and that cost is your privacy. Some users began experiencing this integration in late June, but the rollout has been slow. When Google announced the first Gemini drop in mid-July, the feature was still not widely available. However, over the past few days, Gemini Live's app access has been rolling out more broadly. When you invoke this feature, you'll see a chip just above the full-screen controls that notes the app name with a circular loading indicator around the icon. Some actions, like List Created, even offer an undo button, adding an extra layer of control. You can directly name the 4 Google apps to invoke access, or use more general commands like, "Do I have any reminders today?" This flexibility makes the feature incredibly user-friendly. And this is where things get interesting. Apps access works seamlessly alongside video and screen sharing. For example, you can create a new calendar event if you see date details in the world or on your screen. This level of integration is both impressive and slightly unsettling. We're seeing Gemini Live's apps access rolled out on Android, Google Apps Stable and Beta, and iOS. This widespread availability means more users will have access to these powerful features. But it also means more users will be sharing their personal data with Google. For those eager to explore more about Gemini, here are some recent updates. Google has rolled out a 4-color glow for the Gemini overlay on Android, enhancing the visual experience. The Gemini app now includes a guided learning mode and visual responses, making it more interactive and educational. You can create custom storybooks, comics, and more with the latest Gemini app updates. Gemini Live has improved video resolution on Android, offering a better viewing experience. So what do you think? Is the convenience of Gemini Live worth the potential privacy risks? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Do you believe that the benefits outweigh the concerns? Or are you hesitant to give up your personal data for a more integrated digital experience? Let's discuss.